Hey friends, let's learn Toy Soldiers by Martika. Let's jump straight in. Now we're not actually playing exactly what the guitar's doing, we're just doing a strumming pattern for the chords they're playing. So for our intro we just start with E and it's just half a bar. Then to B, half a bar. C sharp minor 7, half a bar. Then we go to an A sharp minor 7 flat 5. So for that one we've got the first fret on the A string, the second fret on the D, we've got the first fret on the G and the second fret on the B. Hold that for half a bar. To A, half a bar. To B, half a bar. And then on the C sharp minor we're going to start the strumming pattern. We're going to do a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And that's one bar and they do that for 2 bars there. So let me play the intro for you. Our intro, then we have our verse. Let's have a look at that. So for our verse, our A is going to be a 3 count and we go to B, so our strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and then we go to the B for the down, down, up, and we're going to do that a fair bit throughout the song. So we have A for 3 counts to B, do that again. Now this time we're going from C sharp minor for 3 counts back to the B. And do that again. Then we go from the A to the B again. Now this time same again, but we're going to go A up to C sharp minor. And then B for 3 counts back to an A. And back to the B, and we just do this for a bar here. And that's our verse. Let's play that up to speed. Our verse, then from there we have our pre-chorus. Let's look at that. Then for our pre-chorus we're going to be doing half a bar, so it's going to be down, down, up, down, down, up. And we start on the C sharp minor for half a bar. To B for half a bar. Now do the 3 count on the A up to the B like we did in the verse. Back to the C sharp minor for half a bar. B for half a bar. Now we're just going to do a down, down, up here on the open A, 4 on the D, 2 on the G, open B and E, just down, down, up. Move up 2 frets, do the same thing, down, down, up, and then go back to A for a bar and a half. And that's our pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. That's our pre-chorus there. From there we go into our chorus, and that's similar to the intro, so let's do that. So we have our E for half a bar, our B for half a bar, our C sharp minor 7 for half a bar. We're going back to our A sharp minor 7 flat 5, same as in our intro. Our A, our B, and then to our C sharp minor for a 3 count and back to the B. And then we're going to repeat that again, our E, B, C sharp minor 7, our A sharp minor 7 flat 5, our A, our B, and then just hold our C sharp minor for 2 bars there. And that's our chorus. Let's play that through. Our chorus, and from there we go back to the verse, do it the same as our first verse, back to the pre-chorus, we do the same, and then we have this next chorus which changes slightly, so let's do that. We're going to start exactly the same, E for half a bar, B for half a bar, our C sharp minor 7 for half a bar, back to our A sharp minor 7 flat 5, our A half a bar, B half a bar, C sharp minor for a 3 count back to the B, so that all stays the same. Then the start stays the same again, E, half a bar, B, half a bar, C sharp minor 7, half a bar, our A sharp minor 7, flat 5, half a bar, A, half a bar, B, half a bar. Now this time we're going to the C sharp minor, half a bar, an A sus2 for a down, down, up, and a B for a down, down, so they're just a 1 count each. So let's play that chorus through now. And then from there we go into our solo, and we'll do that at the end, and then we have our solo rhythm, so let's look at that. We're going to start on the E, half a bar, this time F sharp minor for half a bar, B half a bar, and then our A sus2 for 1 count, and our B for 1 count, back to E for half a bar, F sharp minor for half a bar. Now we're coming up to G sharp minor, so just move up 2 frets and do that for 2 bars. And that's the rhythm behind the solo, so let's play that. From there we just go back to the pre-chorus and we do that exactly the same, and then to finish off we just do the chorus by 4, so we're just playing that top line over and over again. E, B, C sharp minor 7, A sharp minor 7, flat 5, A, B, C sharp minor for 3 counts, back to the B, and just keep repeating that to the end. Let's do that a couple of times. tackle the solo as well. So we're going to start on the 8 on the G string. Start with your bar in and let it come out. Do the same on the 9G, 11G, and then do the same on the 9B. And then we're playing 7E, 7B, and then jump to the D, 9, G, 9, B, 7, back to the G, 9 slide back to 8, and then D, 9 2 times. Then we play the 12th fret harmonic on the B string, and we're going to use our bar like we did before, 9 on the E, slide up to 11, and then do the same 11, slide up to 14, with the bar, 2 bends on 14, and then do a bend on 17E, and play 14E, and then jump to 16G, 17B, and then do a bend and release on 17B, 16B, 14B, and then 16G again, and use your bar in and let it come out. Hold that, and then we just push our bar in, and that's the solo there. So let's play that up to speed. And that's a solo there, and they're all the parts. So I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.